afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class second lesson, food and health. Food and health. Food and health. Food. We must own some food. It is keep healthy. Yes. Own some food. Own some food to keep healthy. Own some food to keep healthy. We must own some food. Own some food. It keep healthy. Understand? Keep healthy. To keep healthy. Next, we must drink clean water. We must drink clean water. Food. We must own some food to keep healthy, and we must drink clean water. We must drink clean water, and we must our house have trees around it. We must have trees around it. We must trees have around it. And next point, we must regularly exercise. We must regularly exercise. We must regularly exercise. And we must take proper rest. We must rest properly. We must take rest properly. Our lesson food and health. We discussed today food and health topic. We must hold some food to keep healthy, and we must drink clean water, and we must have trees around us, and we must regularly exercise, and we must rest properly. Thus to stay healthy, our body needs balanced diet, exercise, and enough rest, and diseases, proper protection from diseases. We must do these things. Our body needs balanced diet, protection diseases, enough rest, and regular exercise. Okay, we are here. See children, a balanced diet. Our body needs a balanced diet, regular exercise, and our body needs enough rest, and our body needs protection from diseases. We can follow this these rules. You are very healthy and fit. Once again I repeat you, food and health. We must hold some food to keep healthy, and drink clean water, and we must have trees around us, and we must regularly exercise, rest properly. Thus more healthy. Our body needs balanced diet, regular exercise, and enough rest, protection from diseases. First, today we discussed balanced diet. What is the meaning of balanced diet? The balanced diet has right amount of all nutrients. See, balanced diet. Balanced diet. Our food contains nutrients. Our food contains nutrients. Our food contains nutrients. Nutrients like, you know nutrients, carbohydrates, carbohydrates, proteins, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, and rough airs and water. These are the all nutrients. Okay, nutrients. Our food contains nutrients. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, rough airs and water. Okay, these are the all nutrients. In this all nutrients, right amount of all nutrients is called as balanced diet. What is the balanced diet, children? The right amount of all these nutrients. The right amount of all these nutrients. All these nutrients means carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, rough airs and water. Okay, these all nutrients is called as the balanced diet. First, carbohydrates. Thus we discuss carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and to play. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and to play. And some examples of carbohydrates. Pulses, cereals, potato, and sugar. These are some examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the two types, sugar and starch. Carbohydrates are the two types, sugar and starch. Understand? Carbohydrates are the two types, sugar and starch. Examples of carbohydrates: cereals, pulses, potato, sugar. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and to play. And next, proteins. Proteins helps us to grow. 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 And proteins, milk and its products, eggs, meat and pulses are rich in proteins. Proteins helps us to grow, and it examples of proteins: milk and its products, eggs, meat and pulses are rich in proteins. Which things? Milk, eggs, meat, pulses, rich in protein. This food rich in protein. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and to play. Examples: pulses, cereals, potato, sweet potato, sugar, sweet potato. These are the examples of carbohydrates. And next, proteins. Proteins helps us to grow, and examples of proteins: milk and its products like eggs, meat and pulses are the examples of proteins. Next, fats. Next nutrient name, fats. Fats also gives us energy. Then carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also gives us energy. But more energy give fats. Fats gives us more energy. For examples of fats: oil, butter, cheese. These are the examples of fats. Next, vitamins. Vitamin. Next nutrient name, vitamins. Vitamins keep our body fit, keep our body fit and healthy, fit and healthy. Vitamins keep our body fit and healthy, and vitamins help our body fight for diseases. Fight diseases. Fight diseases. Fight diseases. For examples of vitamins, vegetables, fresh fruits. Vegetables, fresh fruits. Examples of vitamins, vegetables and fresh fruits. Once again I repeat you nutrients. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and to play. For examples of carbohydrates, sweet potato and pulses, some cells. Next one, proteins. Proteins helps us to grow. For examples of proteins, milk, meat, fish. These are the examples of proteins. Fats. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates. For examples of fats, oil, butter, cheese. Next, vitamins. Vitamins keep our body fit and health, and vitamins help our body fight diseases. Vitamins examples, vegetables and fresh fruits. Next, minerals. Next one, minerals. Minerals help our body. Formation of bones. Teeth and blood. Minerals help our body. Formation of bones, teeth and blood. Understand? For examples of minerals, fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish. These are some examples of minerals. Next, roughage and water also nutrients. Roughage is the incertain vegetables and fruits. Certain vegetables and fruits are good sources of vitamins and minerals. Roughage also, fruits help in our body. Fruits helps in our body to get rid of undigested food. Food must be cooked, children. Food must be cooked with care so that its nutritional value is not lost. Cereals and pulses are vegetables. We can soak and cook, and that soaked water also we drink. Okay, we use that water also. This is the food. These are the nutrients. These are all nutrients in our food. We can every day take this type of food. Fresh fruits, vegetables, meat, fish. Okay, are you understand, children? It is a balanced diet. Next, keep fit and a regular exercise. Our body needs balanced diet. Balanced diet means all nutrients has balanced diet. What is all nutrients means? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins. These all are the all nutrients. Okay. Next, regular exercise. Regular exercise. Regular exercise, if they are not used muscles become weak and flabby. You can do regular exercise. Regular exercise helps to develop and tone up our muscles. Develop and tone up our muscles. And during exercise, air is pumped in, and more carbon dioxide and water vapor are given out. Once again I repeat you, if they are not used, muscles become weak and flabby, and regular exercise helps to develop and tone up our muscles. During exercise, air is pumped in, and carbon dioxide and water vapor given out. Okay, and next point, you can do regularly exercise, it keep fit and healthy. Okay, and the heartbeats also fast, the heartbeats also faster during exercise, and also blood circulates faster than during exercise. And the nervous system also, the nervous system by supplying them oxygen, to the brain, faster to the brain. And we must play outdoor games, and keep our body fit. We must play outdoor games, keep our body fit. Once again I repeat you children, if they are not use muscles, they are weak and become a weak and flabby. If you do regularly exercise, our muscles are developed and tone up our muscles, and heart beats also faster and blood circulates also faster. You can do exercise, air is pumped in, carbon dioxide and water vapor given out, and nervous system supply the oxygen to the brain very fastly. And to keep our body fit and healthy, you can play games, outdoor games. Next, poster is the position, children. What is the meaning of poster? Position means position. Poster means position in which we hold our body when we sit or stand or walk. Posture is the position in which hold our body when sit or stand or move, and upright, move or walking upright, move upright, and stand straight, stand and sit straight, stand and sit straight. We must walk upright and move upright. We must walk or move upright, and the posture gives proper and graceful appearance our body. Posture gives graceful appearance our body, and look beautiful, and it improves the flexibility of the joints. It improves flexibility of the joints. It is the posture. What is the posture? Posture is the position in which we hold our body, sit or stand straight, sit and stand straight, and walk and move upright, and stand straight. And posture gives graceful appearance our body. And posture improve flexibility of the joints. Posture improves flexibility of the joints. It is the exercise. We can do exercise, keep fit and healthy, and we can play outdoor games, running, swimming, like that. Okay. And posture positions, we can sit anybody, class or everywhere. We can sit and stand straightly, and walking also walk upright. And these rules are we can improve flexibility of the joint, and our body is looking beautiful and graceful appearance of our body. I understand it is food and health, balanced diet. Our body needs balanced diet means nutrients. Okay, our body needs all nutrients, and our body needs proper exercise and regular exercise. It is the posture, it is the main important. We can sit or stand straightly and side. It is very important to posture. Everybody, it is very important posture. It is the food and health topics, balanced diet and regular exercise. And day after tomorrow, we will discuss protection of diseases and NFS. Protection of diseases and NFS. Next class, we will discuss. Okay, children. Thank you.